engine this morning. Put a new piece in. This is a 14.89 pound top sirloin. Gonna go at least 60 days with that. Unbelievable flavor that it will pronounce after dry aging. Also, I switched these around in here, flipped the New York strips upside down. These have been in for 20 days so far, and the dry aging is looking great on these pieces of beef. This is USDA Choice that was on sale. Had to jump on it. These are at 50 days. 7-bone and ribeyes. No UVC light. As you can see, a little bit of beneficial mold occurring. And here's another one. That spot right there is just a little bit of blood that dripped down from another roast. But these are at 50 days so far. Running at 80 to 85% humidity. That's another 7-bone and ribeye. There's another New York strip. Looking very nice. It's amazing. You could just sit here and just stare at my meat all day. Well, just wanted to show you guys. So the New York strips, I'm going to go about 45 days with the New York strips. 40 to 45 days, we'll see. And the 7-bone and ribeyes, I'm going 60 days with those. So I'll butcher those up and vacuum seal them, and stay tuned for another great video, guys. Hope you enjoy this fast update on these videos. You guys take care. Thank you.